Welcome back to Artworks Garage, everyone. Today, I'm building a custom center console for my Foxbody 1988 Ford Mustang GT. And the reason I'm building a custom center console is because I'm installing a custom big brake system, which means I no longer need the parking brake and the enormous parking brake lever that takes up a lot of space in the center console. I'm going to remove the parking brake lever, and in its place I'm going to put some cup holders, some much needed cup holders out of the way of the manual transmission stick. So I'm starting off with one OEM Foxbody center console that has an ashtray, and a second one that is an aftermarket that has cup holders but in the wrong place. So for this job, I'm gonna need some fiberglass, some Bondo, some masking tape, a Dremel or a sander. I'm gonna be doing a lot of sanding in this. And last but not least, a little bit of patience. But for you, I'm gonna speed it up. I think this is fun to watch as a time lapse, so let's get to it.
So there are some low spots, to be expected because I was using masking tape, and masking tape is not a rigid form. It's surprisingly level in all other areas, but there are still quite a few areas that are going to need work. The cup holders are going to have to be cut out, and it's going to need a significant amount of Bondo. high spots and the low spots are. This is all low. Wasn't even touched by the sander. This is all low here. Low here. This is low here. It's a little low there, and a little low there. We got some things we gotta fill in, so we're gonna get to some Bondo work. So I got it done and temporarily installed. And I'm pretty happy with it. There are a couple imperfections which I plan to address, but oh, and also I apologize I didn't show this, but my secret weapon, the emergency eject button. Yep, and that's all for today and Artworks Garage. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. And I promise to bring you more Foxbody, M5, Porsche 911 Turbo, and Toyota Land Cruiser content. See you next time.